Hello and welcome to my channel where I do daily Bitcoin technical analysis every day, Monday to Friday, analyze price action and prepare setups for day trading. So weekly chart exactly same place as yesterday, nothing changed. We are still holding green weekly, but it's a Thursday, so we are probably going to test the downside quite soon. I'm not expecting any higher prices this week anymore. Of course, looking at this chart, it's reasonable that we get like 44, 45, maybe 46k, but it's Thursday, so start of the week we didn't manage to get that much upside. So we are done, and I'm favoring shorts now towards like 38k, below 38k, like this daily order block right here, where I had support marked before we even broke out. On this day I had the support marked out, and it is still a support for me. I think it's gonna be like, I can try and predict what's gonna happen. Below 40k we'll get a massive reaction because people are waiting now. People want to buy below 40k. That's what I see in articles and everywhere else. People are still bullish, but they don't want to buy here. And we could, like, to screw everyone, we could just go from here. But I don't think we will leave the liquidity because this is like a double bottom. We didn't take out the low, and there is massive amounts of liquidity below this range. So tapping into this is very reasonable. So since everyone expects, not everyone, but like most of the people will be looking to long this drop, and everyone knows about the liquidity area below 40k. So I'm thinking that 40k is not gonna be that strong of a support. So what I would predict is that we will drop and get a fast wick up. I don't know how deep it's gonna be, but this is not where we trade. We get a wick and come back up really fast, and then we start working down. Since everyone expected and expected this to bounce and bought Bitcoin, they will be starting to buy, and we drop lower and lower and lower, and we will end the downtrend below 44k. That's what I'm thinking. 34k, sorry. So why do I think that? This series of higher lows, we are coming back for the liquidity basically. Yes, this is okay. We do some chop, but these taken out. I want 34k at least, and it can go deeper. So my prediction is gonna be that we will be bouncing from the supports probably, but I'm aiming for 34k and I will be trading shorts. We will see how this plays out. Like, we don't need to really go down. Maybe market is still bullish. It's just that if I look on monthly candle, let's say, if we turn this red, it's a good high on monthly, predicting a retrace towards 30k. So maybe we don't go to 30k, maybe we don't go that extreme, but some kind of retrace to 38k, 34k is reasonable. Weekly is showing reversal with a good high. Daily is showing a reversal with a good high. Yeah, so I'm thinking we will go lower. Now, can we trade the range still? Like, this is still a range. We are on the bottom part of the range. Do we expect 46k recovered? Usually I expect 46k. Like, I would expect all fast sharp moves recovered. But this time we are closer to 50-50, and continuation is just as likely, I think, because we grab everything that we could from here, from the highs. And now we are so close to 40k. Yeah, we would screw everyone over if we just go up from here. But I think just leaving this liquidity, it doesn't make too much sense. I will be targeting lower. Yeah, so let's see what I had projected yesterday. So yesterday I made a video around here. I don't remember now what I said. Like 4 touches on trend line. This is like advertisement too long for people. Trend lines are too easy. That's why they don't work. They work for 1-2 times. Third bounce, that's unexpected for me, because usually we just squeeze everyone. And aiming for this low. So we have a new daily on 43k. So we don't need to break out the range now, like today. It's a good time to break out because it's a Thursday and the upside should be finished for this week, and we will be squeezing below weekly open. That's what I think. And it's Thursday, so it's a good time to start the squeeze down. If we hold today, then maybe we go to the resistance at 44k. Like, where would I short? If we start going up from here, we have one level 43k right here and another level 44k right here. Swing failure this high. Shorts are very simple. And where do I long? I would like to take out all of these lows, and if we take them out, we come back up. This is a reasonable long. Who's calling me? Okay, that's fine. So swing failure, like we view this as a range, and some more local opportunities are like right here, this daily level, and another swing failure of probably, like, if we swing failure this, it's too close to 42k. 42k is a retail level, and retail levels all get swept. Like right here, this was 42k swept because we reached 41,948. So I'm thinking if we go lower, take out 42k. Yeah, there is no reason why we don't go to weekly open. I'm expecting this every week, so why not this week? So it doesn't make sense for me to long before weekly open, and then we see how it plays out. I don't want to long weekly open because I'm waiting for a squeeze. When the squeeze happens, we take out this low, and then when we take out this low, we probably take out 40k. But I don't need to assume that we will take out 40k. Like, this is reasonable long. Swing failure of the low. So one long here, one short here, one short here. 43, 44, and long below 41k. Not below 41k, but just below this low, and I would expect the round numbers like 41k, 41,000 to get taken out as well. Like, if we stop at 41,030, let's say, that's too close to 41k. People have stop losses at 40,999, so I want to take those 999 shorts, stops, long stops. Now maybe it's a good time to see what we have below. We have naked point of controls 49,500, 38,800, and sorry, it was 39,500. 39,500, 38,800. These taken out, I would expect every time. Then next naked point of control 37,700. That's a weekly one. I don't know where the price is gonna stop. and I'm not looking to long one touch. As I explained right here, I'm expecting a swing failure, and it doesn't matter if we bounce from 39,500 or 38,500 or 37,800. Once we bounce, 40k will be resistance, maybe 41k, maybe 42k. It will be resistance, and we go lower and lower and lower because everyone expects to buy now below 40k, and I think it's a bad idea. We need to be a bit contrarian when trading. So I'm not looking for longs there, and basically I'm not looking for longs for a long time now, unless situation changes. Let's have a quick look on Atas, because I don't have much time anymore. The profile, we are on the bottom part. It doesn't mean anything, then there is nothing to see here. This profile as well, nothing to see. Imbalances I don't care about. Well, actually I need to check. Yeah, it's messy here, it doesn't matter. So what I can see from order flow is that volume is low today. So maybe we get something unpredictable. Maybe we actually squeeze up, because when volume is low, the probabilities are closer to 50%. There was strong resistance, bearish divergence here. Price made a lower high, and there was more buying at that point than on previous high, so that's a divergence and that's a short. We see some support, and people are buying aggressively this bounce, and it went lower. I don't really see much support here. Order flow is neutral, but leaning to that bearish side, so not looking for any longs here. Yeah, so that's all. Let's just quickly recap the trades. Short opportunities, watch these levels, this fresh daily level 43k 100, and watch the weekly level around 40k 44k. And for long, I can only see a short-term opportunity on swing failure below this low. I'm not interested in anything else, because there can be a massive liquidation run, and same as every week, every day, every session, I'm expecting the weekly open to be squeezed at the end of the week. So no longs for me, possible long here on swing failure, and 2 shorts. Another thing is that if we get a squeeze up, which is possible as well, I would be looking to short around 46k, and being careful about these lower highs. Maybe we take out all these highs and then reject. Yeah, so be careful, but 46k naked point of control interesting as well if we go up. But who knows, everything is possible. So I hope you learned something, and see you tomorrow.